Hello guys, welcome to Gossipfunda. My name is Abhiyanshu Rao and today's topic is how to recover deleted post of Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. If you want to view your recently deleted Instagram posts, make sure you are using the latest app version. Your settings allow you to restore deleted photos, videos, reels and Instagram stories. When you delete content, it automatically disappears from your account and is moved to recently deleted. In recently deleted, stories that aren't in your stories archive will be automatically deleted 30 days after they were added. You are able to restore or permanently delete deleted content from your Instagram account within 30 days using recently deleted on the Instagram app for Android and iPhone. In the recently deleted section, you may not see the content you wish to restore if it is older than 30 days for stories and 24 hours for videos. Content can be restored by following these steps. Go to your profile by tapping or clicking on the profile picture at the bottom right. Simply tap recently deleted. Please note here, if you haven't deleted any content recently, you may not see the options. Choose the content you want to restore. Tap on restore and you are done. Your content is restored now. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.